Dubai Falls, right under the bridge here. Okay. Yeah, Business Bay is really coming along here. It just keeps getting better and better. Soon, if they keep building high-rises, it'll be probably better than Marina. I don't know. Dubai Marina and downtown are basically two downtowns in one city, you know? Anyone who says that Dubai Marina is not a downtown is not telling the whole truth, because Dubai Marina has taller buildings than like 90% of the world's largest cities have in their downtowns. That's how tall the buildings are in Dubai Marina. But you can see downtown Dubai obviously has the tallest building. Then they have Business Bay like right next door to downtown. You can barely tell the difference. And this actually reminds me of walking around Dubai Marina like 5 years ago. 5 years ago you walk around Dubai Marina, that's what Business Bay looks like. So in 5 years you come back here, Business Bay, all these buildings are completed. It's filled in more vibrant, and you've got an incredible area. I mean, you're not going to find a downtown like this anywhere. Nowhere else in the world has this. The only place that I can think of that has this many skyscrapers would be New York, Hong Kong, or Singapore. But even then, at the pace that Dubai is building high-rise buildings like this, you can see one, there's two, one over here, three. I don't even know what all these cranes are doing here. That's just within what I can see. It's not being blocked by the other high-rises. That's just what's under construction. So major boomtown. Yeah. Wow. So you just keep walking along this canal front and you see like more and more construction areas. Don't even know what's going there, but it's a huge project for sure, right next to this park. Right here you have Pullman hotels, you have a St. Regis. Beautiful green park. And actually, for the first time in Dubai, here it is, September 23rd. The evening is pleasant. It's not incredibly sweltering hot. Like, it's hot, but not what it has been. And I wouldn't even say it's hot, it's just very pleasant. Maybe 5 degrees cooler and it's perfect. I don't even know what the weather is actually. There was this building, it looked like a Wu-Tang logo. I'm trying to find that. What is that? Pullman Hotel. Well, we'll just keep walking and see what we can find. Oh, I guess that's what I would have found. I would have kept going. I need to be over there. Okay. So here we are now on the other side. We were just walking that way, but all it did was just take us back around that construction project. So we're going to continue making forward progress around Business Bay here. And they've got a lot completed. 5 years ago I was here, I wouldn't even have thought to come over to Business Bay, really. I mean, I knew they had a canal that wrapped around, but I would look on Google Maps and it looked, you know, like empty lots. Even still today, if you look at Google Maps, it appears as empty lots, even though they're filled in. They actually need to update Google Earth with the way it looks now. But I mean, they got all the big name hotels: Radisson, Pullman, Marriott, St. Regis, which is a Marriott. It's actually seems like more water than what they even have in Dubai Marina. That's a big body of water. It's quite wide. Talking going this way. If you guys are enjoying this tour so far, you can hit like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy videos like this. Wonder what kind of club you got going on over here. Pullman. Like, it's crazy because you'll go in one of these hotels and you could clearly tell it's a hotel, and then you'll go up to like the third level and you'll be in this incredible lounge, restaurant, bar. You're just like, whoa, I had no idea. Last night I was at Cavo. It was just spectacular. Hello. Hi. Yeah, look at those buildings. So unique. Unique designs. There's like this Wu-Tang building. Where is it? Looks like a Batman almost. Walking around here feels totally safe, by the way. It's like 7 o'clock at night, evening time. Everyone feels very peaceful and relaxed. Like 100% safe here. Well, not 100%, okay, but it's very safe. Compared to any other city, it's got to be up there. And it looks like the other side also has a waterfront walking area that you can explore. You can get a massage. Is that Moroccan bath? There's the St. Regis. And now we're underneath the bridge here. That building lights up the water pretty nicely. It's a couple different shiny bright lights. There's Damac. It's like if they don't have a building sponsor, they just call it whatever the builder's name was. Like Damac or Emar. That's Al Sayal Street, a bridge there. So I've been walking now for about 15 minutes since that bridge, and there's a lot of construction going on. There's a few buildings but not too much. There's the building that was bright, lighting up the light. But here's the Wu-Tang building that I was telling you about. Dar Al Arkan. I just looked on Google Maps to see exactly what it is called, and Google Maps still has it as a dirt lot. So it's not even been put on Google yet. But it is a crazy building. I don't know if it's a Batman building or a Wu-Tang building. Take a look at this thing. Like, what is it? It's a hotel. It's gotta be an apartment. Let's see here. Oh, it's an apartment. Jone. Ready to move in. Huh. So it's an apartment. It's all fine and dandy, but what the heck is up there? Let's take a look. You see that? That ball that pops out? There's like nothing going on around it though. It's like completely silence. And they need like a floating bar or a floating restaurant on the canal or something. And what is this? Look at that. Is that a lounge up there or what? More buildings under construction here. Wow. What is that? Some sort of waterfront concept. I guess that's what I was saying they needed. Something on the water that floats. Like a restaurant. And they have some sort of legit marina there. Man. This place is going to be something one day. Reminds me of Macau. I remember I went to Macau in 2015. And then I went back to Macau in 2018. And in 3 years it had boomed. I wonder what Macau would look like here 4 years later. I think this is the ferry port? Yeah. This is where the Dubai ferry drops you off. Yeah. There's old Burj Khalifa. They're not lighting it up tonight or what? Usually they light it up. Where's the water show? What do you guys think so far? Would you invest? I actually got invited to invest in the DMAC Towers. I think it was 1 bedroom studio apartment for like $225,000 right here in the Business Bay area. I think that's a pretty good deal. Some of these places I saw billboards that say guaranteed 8% ROI. A place like Dubai is, it's only going to supercharge from here. I don't really see how it slows down. Kana. What is Kana? This is interesting. Sports bar. I smell shisha. Shisha, shisha. Oh man. This is definitely an older building. All right, guys, that's going to conclude this episode from Business Bay, and we will see you on the next one.